In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a PayPal refund not showing up in your bank account. This can be a frustrating situation, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through it step by step, and it should only take about 5 minutes. First, make sure you're logged in to your PayPal account. You'll start this process by heading over to your favorite browser and navigating to the PayPal website. Once you're on the home page, enter your login details to access your account. This is your stepping stone to tracking down that elusive refund. Next, go to your PayPal activity page. This is where you can see all your transactions laid out for you. Imagine it as your personal financial diary, recording everything that's been happening in your account. It's the perfect place to start finding out what's been going on with your refund. Once you're there, select All Transactions. This will present you with a complete overview of every transaction you've made. It's like spreading your financial history out on the table, allowing you a clear view of all your interactions with PayPal. To streamline your search, look for the Filters option and select Refunds. By doing this, you're telling PayPal to only show you those transactions where money should be coming back to you. This step is crucial because it helps you zero in on the transactions that specifically interest you, saving you from sifting through irrelevant information. Identify the specific refund transaction, then click on it to see the details and status. By diving into the details, you can gain insights into what's happened with your money. You'll see information such as who issued the refund and when, as well as its current status. Now, check the refund status. Is it pending? Refunded? Perhaps partially refunded? Or maybe it's already marked as completed. These statuses can reveal a lot about where your money is in the refund process. If you find that the refund is marked as completed, remember that it might still take a bit longer for your bank to process the transaction. This is completely normal. Think of it as similar to when you deposit a check. Sometimes it just takes a while for everything to clear and show up on your account. Here's a crucial tip. Give it some time. After PayPal has completed their end of the process, your bank might need anywhere from 5 to 7 business days to process the refund. Patience is key here, but it's also understandable if you're anxious about seeing your money land back in your account. If, after this waiting period, your bank still hasn't reflected the refund, it's time to take action by contacting them directly. Inform them of the situation, providing details such as the transaction number and any communication from PayPal. Banks sometimes have their internal processes, so connecting with them can be the best way to resolve lingering issues. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your way to resolving your refund issues smoothly. Stay patient and proactive, and you'll have your refund in no time.